number one thing people ask me about is dieting. And the problems with conventional diets is they depend on willpower. Let me ask you a question. How many of you can hold your breath indefinitely underwater? Pretty hard, right? Possible. Why? Because your biology will always beat your willpower. No matter how much you want to diet, it ain't going to work. What you can do, though, is nudge the biology blubber in the right direction. Now, the first thing you got to figure out is, what are you measuring? What does success look like? Well, it turns out it's not your weight, it's your waist size, which is the best predictor of health.
In this week's Conversations with the Coach, we're discussing the difference between weight loss and fat loss. As you already seen earlier in the video, one great way to determine if you're moving in the right fitness direction is by measuring your waistline. And in today's video on Conversations with the Coach, we discuss his best tips and what it means to be on a fat loss diet or a weight loss diet. And it starts right now.
I have a lot of people come to me, they want to lose weight. In their mind, they think that means they're going to be fit. You can lose weight and not lose any body fat. People do fasting, they do starvation diets, and they lose weight, but then they see, as soon as they go back to eating, they gain all the weight back, and they see that they hadn't lost any body fat. They may shrink up and lose muscle, and maybe their shoulders and stuff get smaller, but their areas where they're fat in, like the waistline and hips, are still there. So ultimately, to lose body fat, you need to be on a slow, consistent regimen of eating right, and be willing to invest more time of eating simple foods that are nutritious and low in fat and low in carbohydrates over a period of time.
Someone who's doing following a good fat loss program, about how much weight should they expect to see lost in a week?
Depending on how heavy you are, because you're going to drop body weight. If you've been eating a lot of high sodium foods, you might actually drop. So if somebody's 100 pounds overweight, they actually probably lose in the first couple of weeks 15 to 20 pounds. But then actually they probably didn't lose that much fat, they just lost a lot of water weight. So losing fat, really realistically, the average person probably not going to lose more than 2 to 3 pounds of fat a month, which is ultimately what they want to lose. So if you lose 30 pounds of fat, you look better than if you lost 70 pounds of water. If you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel, and you can contact me by dialing 336-987-4007 or my email, qrelite@gmail.com.